Hey guys, I'm Ryan Rotifer and I'm a product engineer with Arbsession, and I'm here with a 360 video on the Arbsession Blackbird Grommet. The Blackbird Grommet was created by our Arbsession prototype mill out of the most durable material that we have, TPU 85, which means it's going to take a beating and remain solid in there while you are taking your carabiner on and off, or just even rotating it around. But keeps that carabiner orientated in the proper direction, so it's always ready to go, as well as preventing it from flopping around while you're climbing. To install your Arbsession Blackbird Grommet, make sure that your grommet is lined up the same way it's going to sit in there. Pinch the grommet, slide the bottom in first, rotate it in. Once that bottom's in, you can push and kind of wiggle this grommet in there. And then once that is in just enough, you can pop it through. It should snap into place and be ready for use immediately. To take it out, perform the same action just in reverse. So if you're looking to make a significant upgrade to your ART Blackbird, you can find the Arbsession Blackbird Grommet at arbsession.com. Thanks for watching.